So today I am again with the next video. So we are discussing on the topic that is matter, and we have completed in the previous video. Once I'll revise you, we have completed our the atom, molecules, element, and compound. So today we'll discuss something more regarding the element. So what are elements? Okay, so we'll discuss on that. So yesterday already I told you there are total 118 element found till now. So among those elements, some of the important elements you should remember about them, their symbol, okay, at your level. Okay, they are like you can see the diagram. There are serial number 1 to 20. Elements are hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, and potassium. Okay, they are not the all element, they are only till atomic number or serial number 1 to 20, and their symbol. So writing method of symbol, writing method, how the symbol are written, that is it is written by the first letter. Like hydrogen, first letter is H. If first letter is repeated, okay, second letter is used. Like if you can see in the 2 number, serial number 2, helium, the second letter is repeated. So first letter is repeated, so second letter is used. In the same way, lithium Li, beryllium Be, boron B. So these are the symbol. Why? Because full name is rarely used. In place of that, symbol is used. Next you can see atomic number. Atomic number is equals to serial number. Atomic number of hydrogen 1, serial number 1. Number of proton also 1. That means atomic number, serial number, and number of proton and number of electron, they are always equal. Like in the hydrogen you can see hydrogen, serial number 1, atomic number 1, proton 1, and electron 1. In the same way for every you can see the same is there. Like talking about the carbon, serial number 6, atomic number 6, number of proton 6, number of electron 6. Okay, so you should also copy, or you can also find if the picture is not clear. Okay, there are periodic table. I think if you are brother or sister in the serial classes, you can find periodic table or the name of the element with their atomic number, proton, neutron, and electron, and at least 20 you should know about them. Okay, that means you should learn about them. What are the 20 element, and you should learn in the serial way. Why? Because serial number will help you to identify atomic number. From there you can find out number of proton. From there you can find out number of electron. So these are also the example of element. Next we'll talk about the structure of atom. Previously we have discussed about the atom. Now how the atom are, they are very smallest, very tiny. We cannot see even from the microscope, compound microscope, we cannot see. But scientists they have found the structure by different method, complex method. So that is the structure of atom is called atomic structure. Now in that what happens, there are proton, neutron, and electron. You can see in the diagram proton, neutron, and electron, they are also called subatomic particles. Okay, proton are positively charged, neutron are chargeless, and they remain in the central nucleus, and electron, they revolve around the nucleus. Now for every, it is not the same. For example, see 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 electron it has. So earlier I have discussed in the previous slide. Now 6 number of electrons 6, that means number of electrons 6, that is of carbon. So definitely, okay, this atomic structure is carbon. The reason is hydrogen, helium, lithium, barium, boron, carbon. Carbon has 6 electron. In the same way, atomic structure of different elements are different. They all are not the same, but the position are the same. And atomic structure, subatomic particles are the same. That means proton is positively charged, neutron is chargeless, they remain in the center, electrons revolve around the center. So I was talking about subatomic particles. Now same thing I have mentioned there. It will be easier to note down. The particles which remains in the atom are called subatomic particles. And there are three subatomic particles, that is proton, neutron and electron. Three subatomic particles. Proton, the subatomic particles which are positively charged, it has positive charge and lies in the center. Center means nucleus. Electron, the subatomic particles which are negatively charged and revolve around the nucleus or center. Neutron, that means the subatomic particles which are chargeless and remain in the nucleus. So these three, proton, neutron and electron, are subatomic particles. There are certain two terms I have mentioned there. Nucleus, that is the center part of an atom, and orbit means the path in which electron revolve, that is called orbit. Next there is atomic number and serial number. The relation I was explaining you earlier also, I have written there. Atomic number is the serial number or the number of electron present in an atom, that is called atomic number. Or serial number, like atomic number of hydrogen 1, helium 2. So that is serial number. Serial number of hydrogen is 1, helium is 2. And that is the number of electron. Hydrogen has 1 electron, helium has 2 electron, and so on for every element. So we can say serial number is equals to the number of proton is equals to the number of electron. In this way, it will help you to memorize the number of proton, number of electron, atomic number, but you should learn that 20 elements serially. So students, only this much for today. I will meet tomorrow with the next video. I'll talk something more regarding the matter topic. So for today, there are some of the questions. Define subatomic particles, define proton and neutron, proton, neutron and electron. So these three are the subatomic particles, and also draw the atomic structure of element having atomic number 1 to 10. I have told you to memorize from 1 to 20, and you should draw the atomic structure different. If you are confused, once again I will revise that. Okay, atomic structure. Now the atom, in the atomic structure, number of proton, number of electron, okay, number of neutron, they are different. Structure is the same. Well, explaining this, I have told you there are 6 electrons. That means that this is the atomic structure of carbon. If hydrogen, that means only 1. Helium 2. Lithium, there is 3. But the reason is it can only hold 2 electron in the first cell. More than 2 electron, it will go to next cell. That means talking about lithium, what will happen? There will be 1, 2, and in this orbit there will be 1, 3. That is how lithium. After lithium, hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, 4 electron. That means 2 electron in the first orbit, 4 electron. Don't focus on this green, okay? I am drawing that, focus on that. So in the same way, every atom has different number of electron, and in the same way you have to draw. I have given the question, draw the atomic structure of the element having atomic number 1 to 10. Okay, you should draw that atomic structure, and they are not the same. So tomorrow again I'll discuss about the atomic structure. Okay students, till then, goodbye. See you in the next video. Hope you are doing all the exercise and preparing your note copy.